Hey there, CJ Math students. I'm going to help you out with homework 5.0, one-step equations. I'll be doing the odds for you. So, first thing you're going to want to do when you see a one-step equation, make sure you change any subtraction to adding the opposite. Go ahead and draw your Tetris sign. Make sure that you understand the variable is on the left-hand side, so you want to get any constants on the left-hand side, move to the right-hand side, right? So we're going to go ahead and add 10 to both sides. Label what type of problem that is. That's different signs. Subtraction. Bring down your variable a is equal to negative 29 plus 10 is really negative 20. Is 29 minus 10 gives me negative 19 is my answer. B. Right. Number 3. Again, plus negative. Go ahead, draw your Tetris. Variables on the left-hand side, so I take this constant, do the opposite, bring it to the right-hand side with inverse operations. So I add 7 to both sides. Again, this is a different sign, subtract, keep the sign that has more. So those cancel out, bring down your variable m is equal to negative 8 plus 7 is really 8 minus 7, which is 1, but there's more negatives, so negative 1. B. Number 5. Draw your Tetris, because there's just a plus sign. We have negative 11 here. This is the constant on the side with the variable, so we will add 11 to both sides. These cancel out because that's 0. Bring down your variable. I get 13. Very simple. Okay. Number 7. Be super careful as you do it. Again, the variable is on the left-hand side. So add 19. Add 19. Sorry, this was SSAK. This is DSSM. Those cancel out. Bring down your variable a is equal to 20 minus 19 because of different signs. Subtract. We have 1. There are more negatives, so negative 1. Right. Number 9. See two negative signs in a row. You change that to plus positive, so really plus positive 11. This time the variable is on the right-hand side, so you need to add negative 11 to both sides, because positive 11 plus negative 11 will give you 0. Cancels that out. Bring the variable down. X is equal to 26 plus negative 11. That's a DSSM. Different sign. Subtract. That means 26 minus 11 is 15, and it's positive because there are more positives. Real quickly, I just wanted you to notice that on problem like number 2, the variable is on the right-hand side. So plus and negative, you need to add 5, add 5. That's a DSSM. Those cancel out, that's 0. N is equal to negative 8 plus 5 is 3, but there are more negatives, so negative 3. So be very aware if the variable is on the right-hand side, not to like add 8 to both sides or add negative 25 to both sides in that case. Okay. Right, on the back side, this is just the other type of one-step equation we have. Remember, when we have a number or coefficient next to variable, it means we have some multiplication going on. So to undo multiplication, or the inverse of multiplication, is going to be division. So we divide by whatever number, whatever coefficient is attached to the variable. So here, we divide by 13. So in this case, that cancels out because that's just 1. So I'm left with P is equal to negative 39 divided by 13 is a different sign's negative. So my answer will be negative 3. And 13. Again, I got a variable on the right-hand side here, so I divide by 10. Don't add negative 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. This cancels out. I get n is equal to negative, because again it's DSN, negative 18. So B. Number 15, be sure to divide by not a positive 10, but by negative 10. Everything that's attached to the variable. So that cancels out. That's 1. X is equal to, again, DSN, different signs negative, negative 6. Number 17, divide by 8. Divide by 8, cancels out. K is equal to negative 3, because it was a DSN again, different signs negative. So negative 3. Number 19, divide by not 4, but negative 4. When I do that, I get R is equal to positive 16, because that was in same signs positive. Two negatives, get you positive when you divide. All right, call me if you have questions. Show all the work. In fact, write that down. Show all the work.